Here we go, pack draft for Big Dog and Phigagne. They're going to go with lowest base card, lowest. So we'll stay the same throughout the break. Let me get the packs out. I will mix them and then spread them out. So here's how we're going to have this set. Big Dog on one side, Phigagne on the other. I'm just going to simply mix these up. It's kind of hard to. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back and forth. There's an ultra thick one, I'm just saying. Alrighty. So, Big Dog, oh sorry, Phigagne, Big Dog. So, Big Dog, your first pack, here we go. Big Dog's first pack yields all base, which isn't a horrible thing for a Big Dog. And your lowest card, see, you've got Jason Pominville, Rick Nash, Jordan Stahl, Thomas Plekanec, and your lowest one is David Clarkson, card 32. Okay, so card 32 for Big Dog. And Phigagne's pack yields an Elite Series of Steve Yzerman. So that's the hit up for grabs. And base cards of Max Pacioretty, Sean Horkoff, Marc-Andre Bergeron, and the lowest, number 18, Ryan Kesler. So the Elite Series goes to Phigagne. Alright, second. Here we go. Oh, double hit. We have an Aspirations of Henrik Lundqvist. Oh, this is the second one from this case, I think. A Rookie Aspirations number to 99, Joe Vitale. Wow, 2 per case, 2 in this case. Joe Vitale Aspirations. And Big Dog, was that? I forget which one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was Big Dog's, okay. 180, 93. So Daniel Sedin, James Van Riemsdyk, and 36, Mika Kiprusoff. Mika Kiprusoff for Big Dog. Card number 36. And Phigagne, your pack is a base pack, and your lowest card, number 22, David Backes. So Phigagne, you got the out of 99 rookie as well, and the Lundqvist. So Big Dog, your next pack is a base pack. Your lowest, you have a 64 of Hedberg. Oh, nice. You have 6 of Michael Grabner, Brad Marchand, Erik Karlsson, and Martin Brodeur. So you have number 6, Grabner. And Phigagne, your pack nice. Elite Signings, Kevin Shattenkirk. Kevin Shattenkirk Elite Signings. Very nice. And Chris Letang, 25, Paul Stastny, 67, Ryan Smith, 48, and Alex Tanguay, 90. So, Big Dog, the auto is yours. Very nice. Next pack for Big Dog. Elite Series, Joe Sakic. Joe Sakic. Your lowest base, 112 of Keith, 154 Sam Louis, 91 Clark MacArthur, and 34 Joel Ward. 34. And a fat pack. I believe it's a decoy though. Yep. Decoy. And you're looking to beat 34. There it is, right on top. Card number 11, Brian Gionta. Brian Gionta. So that goes to Phigagne. Next up, Phigagne, you're first. This one's pretty thick. We got a double hit here. We have, oh nice, Aspirations, Marian Hossa. And we have an Elite Materials, Ryan Nugent Hopkins. Ryan Nugent Hopkins, Elite Materials. Your base cards are as follows. Number 81, Chris Pronger. 24, Joe Thornton. Tuomo Ruutu, 109. And Dwayne Rolson, 151. So 24. 24 is your lowest Gagne. And Big Dog is a thin one. You have a rookie of Jonathan Blum, numbered to 999. And so 24 is the one to beat. You've got a 95 of Gabrick, 38 of Ryan O'Reilly, 125 Horton, and 167 Crosby. So that goes to Gagne. So one hit each. Gagne is getting all the inserts so far. I believe this next one is the thick one. Jason Spezza Aspirations for the Senators. And Big Dog, your base. 111 of Corey Crawford, 153 Jose Theodore, number 33 Henrik Sedin, 76 Mike Smith. So 33 is your number. 33. And I believe it's a patch on this side. At least it feels that way. Oh, it's one of the elite numbers or prime numbers. Prime numbers jersey, Anze Kopitar. Anze Kopitar prime numbers jersey. Card to beat 33, 195, 138, 181, 52, and 94. So, with 33, Big Dog, you get that one as well. Prime number jersey, Anze Kopitar. Next, Bergeron for the Bruins, numbered to 99. Gold. And Big Dog, 124, 166, 37, and 80. 37 is your number. No, Pack War. And we have a Stars of Matthew Shen, Gagne. Matthew Shen. Gagne's pack. And card to beats 37, right off the top right there, Henrik Lundqvist, 23. Henrik Lundqvist. So Gagne is getting all the inserts. Big Dog, your pack. Ooh, you got a low one. Chris Neal, Aspirations. And your low card, yep, card number 7, Pascal Dupuis. Card number 7. I keep forgetting to take your base off. There we go. And Gagne, your pack. Nice. Numbered 35 of 50. New breed jersey auto, Blake Jeffrin. 35 of 50. And the card to beat number 7. 31, 74, 59, 35, and 78. So that goes to Big Dog right there. So we got a pretty even one going here. 2 to go. Base pack. 17, 59, 118, 193, 136. So 17 is your number. Gagne. We have a rookie of Peter Holland, numbered to 999. And 17 to beat 122, 179, 78, 35. So Big Dog's got that rookie. All right, last one. Here we go. Both are thin. We have a Brodeur, Aspirations. Low number, 21, 63, 164, 106, 21 is your low number. Cal Clutterbuck. Come on, Clutterbuck. And last pack, Rookie Stars, Devontae Smith-Pelly. 21 to beat. Oh, right off the top. Number 5. Keith Yandel. Number 5. So